So I grew up in a small suburb in Johannesburg, and I actually stayed all my life actually near a power station. There was lots of air pollution and emittance. And I think that sort of sparked my interest because I remember in primary school and high school, I was fascinated with geography. So I remember, I think my first interest within science was wanting to understand the water cycle and meteorology. And so that was my plan, was that once I reached university, I'm going to study to become a climatologist, meteorologist, to understand atmospheric, emissions, to understand what's going on with the weather. I did my studies at the University of Witwatersrand, and there was a lot of information and a lot of study, and a huge focus was understanding climate change, but climate change within the African context and within the South African context. And so I had a huge passion for geography, and that passion sort of went straight into my PhD. It was for the longing of wanting to know more, asking the questions, why this? How did this happen? What can happen? And sort of having those questions in your head that keep on playing around and trying to find answers to them. And so that's why I took the PhD journey, is trying to tackle those big questions and hopefully trying to find those holistic, innovative solutions towards some of the biggest challenges we're facing as a country. So I am specifically looking at climate finance mechanisms that would finance the low carbon transition in South Africa. I would love to contribute to research spaces. Research is such an important space. And I can't stress enough, especially in a developing country like ours, researchers are desperately needed. And, policy can only happen if there is research going on, right? So as a researcher, you can influence policy in the long run.